guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And the giveaway is finally over. I'm very excited because I was getting really bored with seeing this pink thumbnail. If you got really sick of seeing this pink thumbnail during my 3 weeks of the entry period for my giveaway, smash that like button. Yeah, I'm really tired of seeing the pink thumbnail, and I'm really happy that the giveaway is over. And I am going to, after this live part, I'm going to insert the video footage from last night with the whole process of picking the winner. I used a random comment generator on the computer, and just for transparency reasons, I just filmed the entire thing so that you guys could see how it was done and how the person was chosen. So the winner of the giveaway is Michelle N from Texas. So I'm really excited. My little package will be going halfway across the country from Massachusetts to Texas. And this was my first giveaway ever. I started this giveaway when I had reached 100 subscribers, and as of today I have 920 subscribers. So I'm really excited, and I just want to thank everybody for entering and for subscribing and watching my videos. So it's meant a lot to me, and it's made me want to continue producing content for you guys and just keep doing my YouTuber thing, which is totally a new thing. I have been doing this now for 2 months. So thank you so much for supporting my channel. Now, if you don't want to watch the next several minutes of me on my laptop choosing the winner through that little algorithm thing, then I just wanted to tell you that the video tomorrow will be me unboxing this giant Ulta box. Okay, this came yesterday, and this giant box has 4 eyeshadow palettes in it. And the value of this stuff is $207, and I got it for free. I'm going to tell you how. I'm going to show you what's in the box, and I'm going to tell you how I earned a whole bunch of Ulta points so that I was able to get all the free stuff in the box. So spoiler alert, all the stuff in the box that was free was because of Ulta points. And I didn't even earn all the Ulta points from spending hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars in makeup at Ulta. That's the best part. So be sure to check out that video tomorrow, the Ulta free haul unboxing. It might be called something like that. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. So I'm gonna head out to dinner soon, and as you can see behind me, it is foggy, it is rainy, and we're going to go to our little local restaurant where I think there's an espresso martini with my name on it, just sitting at the bar, waiting for me. So happy Friday, congratulations to Michelle N. I have already emailed her. I'm waiting for an email response back from her. And thank you everyone for entering, and I'm going to see you guys really soon. Be sure to check out my video tomorrow for my Ulta mega haul where everything was free. Okay, thanks a lot guys, and I'll see you really soon. Bye. Hey guys, it's me, Kara. It is 12:45 a.m. and the giveaway is now closed. I just made it private so that I can go into the comments and delete any comments that came in after 11:59 p.m. tonight, because that was in the rules. So let's do that. Okay, so there's the clock. Can you see that? What does it say? It says about 1:15. And so here is my computer. I just set it to private. And I'm just going to go into the comments to make sure that anyone who entered after 11:59 that I delete those. Okay. I guess I have to set it to public to do that. Public. Okay. Go to comments. Sometimes they get held for review, so I have to okay all those. And that one got marked as spam. Where'd it go? Okay, sorry if this is boring. I just want to be transparent with the whole operation here. Okay, so we're going to comments, and I'm going to filter them by the newest. Okay, so the newest is 6 hours ago, so everybody is good. So let's go to, let's go to the random comment generator. I just have to get my little link. Come on. Come on. You need like so many computer skills to be able to be a YouTuber. It's crazy. Okay, here we go. Get the link. Right there. Go to random comment generator. Now, there, I just entered it. Now, I'm really hoping that whoever won followed the rules, that they subscribed, that they liked, and they commented. And I'm saying that because I saw something. I'll go over here. I'm seeing like 1,000 views, 429 comments, but only 275 likes. So this is kind of bumming me out. So I'm thinking we have a pool of about 275 people that could win this, because there's 429 comments, and the whole deal was that you had to comment and you had to like it. So I'm really hoping that the first person that gets chosen is going to comply, because it's going to really bum me out if I have to like disqualify someone because they did not win. And this says filter duplicate users, so that's really good. And just really quickly, we have people from United States, Canada, Puerto Rico, Trinidad and Tobago. We have someone from Jordan. We have Philippines. We have several from India. Goodness, where else? It's just, in the UK. It's been a lot of fun seeing so many people from so many different countries. Really exciting. Let's hit the button. Okay, amount of unique commenters is 247. I just hit that button. Start raffle and pick random winner. What is this? Click start now. Download on our website. Get free. What? Enter YouTube video. Get YouTube comments. Start raffle and pick random winner. Okay, there we go. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, ooh, look, winner, Michelle, and she is from the U.S., and it says her Gmail address. This is exciting. Okay, so I'm going to just go into my secret squirrel analytics, all that stuff, and just make sure that Michelle N from Texas did what she was supposed to do, which is the like, comment, and subscribe. And if all of that is cool, then the box will go out. It'll go out in the next 48 hours. And I'm really excited because there's cool stuff in the box. But if you did not win, please don't just unsubscribe and leave forever. Stick around because there's going to be good videos coming up. So if you did not win, so thank you guys for entering. I think it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed reading people's comments. So thank you guys for entering the giveaway. I really enjoyed reading everyone's comments. I thought it was so much fun to see all the countries that people were from. I mean, people from my home state of Massachusetts all the way over to the other side of the world to India and Jordan. So that's really exciting. It was really exciting for me. So I hope you guys stick around. There's going to be really good content coming up. And let's see, my next video is going to be how I got $285 in Ulta stuff for free. Does that sound good? It's a huge box. Here, I'm going to show it to you. Let me get the computer off of me. This giant box came today. It is from Ulta, my favorite store, and I got this whole box for free. And no, I did not get it because I was an influencer. Basically, as an influencer, I guess I'm not very influencing because nobody sends me free stuff. At least not yet. I hope that changes. So that'll be my next video, and I hope you guys stick around. I hear that sometimes people enter giveaways and then they unsubscribe afterwards, and I ask that you not do that. And for my next giveaway, there's going to be a rule that if you were involved in the last giveaway and then you unsubscribed afterward, that's going to make you ineligible for future giveaways. So it's just a good way of rewarding the subscribers that stick around and are watching my content and helping my channel grow. So I hope you understand. But if you do subscribe and unsubscribe, you can always come back. Just come back. So thanks a lot, you guys. Congratulations, Michelle. Box is going to Texas. And I hope everybody has a good night. Okay? See you guys soon.